10 perennials you need in your garden. If you're tired of replanting every spring, perennials are your garden's best friend. These plants return year after year, filling your yard with color, life, and beauty without constant replanting. Once established, they grow stronger with time, making them a smart investment for any gardener. Whether you want vibrant blooms, lush greenery, or pollinators fluttering around your flowers, these 10 perennials will make your garden come alive. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender is loved for its beautiful purple blooms and calming scent. It thrives in sunny areas and well-drained soil, making it easy to maintain once it's settled. Bees and butterflies love it, while its fragrance naturally keeps mosquitoes and flies away. You can also dry lavender for homemade sachets, teas, or decor. Number 2. Coneflower. Coneflowers are strong, colorful, and dependable. Their daisy-like petals come in shades of purple, pink, orange, and white. They handle heat and drought with ease and attract butterflies and bees all season long. As fall approaches, their seed heads feed goldfinches and other birds. Number 3. Black-Eyed Susan. With bright yellow petals and dark centers, Black-Eyed Susans bring cheerful energy to any garden. They love full sun, grow quickly, and bloom from midsummer through fall. Once established, they spread easily, creating a lively display that comes back every year. Number 4. Hostas. Dash perfect for shady spots, hostas add a lush, tropical look with their large green, blue, or variegated leaves. They're low maintenance and pair beautifully with ferns or hydrangeas. In summer, they send up tall flower stalks that attract hummingbirds. Number 5. Daylilies. Daylilies are incredibly hardy and easy to grow. They bloom in a rainbow of colors and thrive in almost any soil type. Each bloom lasts just one day, but new flowers open daily, creating waves of color throughout the summer. Number 6. Salvia. Salvia produces tall spikes of blue or purple flowers that attract hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies. It thrives in sunny areas and is very drought tolerant. Plus, its long blooming season makes it a standout in any garden bed or border. Number 7. Peonies. Peonies are classic perennials known for their large, fragrant blooms. They can live for decades with proper care, rewarding you with show-stopping flowers every spring. Their blossoms make stunning cut flowers and fill your garden with a sweet, romantic scent. Number 8. Catmint. Catmint is a hardy, fragrant perennial that thrives in sun and poor soil. Its soft, purple-blue flowers bloom for months and attract bees and butterflies non-stop. It's also deer and rabbit resistant, making it perfect for easy, worry-free gardening. Number 9. Shasta Daisy. The Shasta Daisy is the perfect example of timeless beauty. With bright white petals and sunny yellow centers, these cheerful flowers bloom from early summer to fall. They love full sun and make wonderful cut flowers for your home. Number 10. Coreopsis. Coreopsis, also called tickseed, is known for its golden yellow blooms that last for months. It's drought-resistant, low maintenance, and perfect for adding long-lasting color to your garden. Butterflies can't resist it, and it pairs beautifully with lavender or coneflowers. If this list gave you some new ideas for your garden, go ahead and like this video to support the channel and help more gardeners find it. Do you have a favorite perennial that we didn't mention? Share it in the comments. We're always looking to grow the conversation. And if you're looking for blooms that keep the color going even longer, check out this video, Best Long Blooming Perennials. And remember, life is better when you garden.